Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Ammonite LED Solaris Head. So this is a pretty powerful, decent sized sort of umbilical torch head. As you can see, it has 4 LEDs at the front, and these produce up to 1600 lumens of bright white light. The way that they focus it focuses it into a fairly tight sort of between 6 and 11 degree beam. So most of the light goes in that really tight sort of 6 degree, but there is a little bit of a corona, which means it's about 11 degrees in total. This is waterproof down to 200 meters, so it's pretty tough. The body of it, this is made out of anodized aluminium. As you can see, it's got some heat sink fins in there as well, so really supposed to use this just in water. The sort of on-off activation switch, this is done by a Delrin switch down here at the base of the head, and pretty obvious sort of markings on that tell you sort of where you are and what you're going to. So you have a 20%, a 60%, and then a 100% power setting. I'm just going to hook this up to a battery. Obviously you need to buy these separately, an umbilical and a battery. It takes the universal fitting with a screw thread and a sort of that double O-ring seal, just make sure that it's nice and secure. So I'm not going to screw it all the way in because you don't need to, but this is it at 100% power. So as you can see, a fairly tight spot beam. So it's great for signaling and it's great for so basically not blinding everyone else at the dive site. You can focus on one specific thing. You're not going to be flooding the entire area. So pretty bright. I'm just going to step it down a couple so you can see it changing a little bit. Inside it has a safety feature so that if the battery is running low, it automatically switches down to its lowest setting, the 20%, just to save battery life and make sure that it just stretches it out, so at least you always have light as long as possible. So a great little sort of umbilical torch head. It's a decent size. This will fit onto most Goodman style handles, and that will sit on the back of your hand as a handy sort of hands-free umbilical torch. So nice and powerful, nice and compact. That's the Ammonite Solaris Head. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.